Welcome to a magical world of Photoshop. Today we're gonna learn how to add text to any surface and how to look realistic. To follow along, you know what to do. The link is in description, you can download. Thank you Element 5 Digital for providing this image in Unsplash. Now we have to select the text tool and select the font you like and type the word or the sentence you want. After that, adjust it according to the image and see where it fits the best. Afterwards, group the text layers and press the mask button on the right side corner. Now select the brush tool. Make the foreground color as black. And mask out the places where there is an object below the text. You can select either the soft round brush or the hard round brush. Resize the size of the brush and refine the mask to have a natural look. Bonus tip: if you need to change the color of the text rather than doing it one by one in all the text layer, as in this, all the text layers are inside the group, you can select the solid color adjustment and select the color you want and clip it to the group layer. You can clip it by pressing the Alt key and click in between both the layers. As it is in different layer, you can adjust the color later also if you need. This is how it was before and after all the adjustments. It looks natural and it fits with the images so well. I will come back again in another video with more tips and tricks to you all. If you like the video, please like and comment. For more videos, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get the notification. Thank you for watching. Hope you learned something.